Hare Krishna. So, Krishna today and tomorrow will speak very, very important concepts of how to understand birth and how to understand life in general. So, we have the 13th and the 14th shloka which we will be covering today and tomorrow. Yesterday we have seen how Krishna refuted the Mayavad concept of Aikya of Jiva and Paramatma. So Krishna gives us the concept of life. He says in 13th verse, Dehinosmin yatha dehe kaumaram yauvanam jara tatha dehantara praptir dhirastatra na muhyati. As the embodied soul continuously passes in this body from boyhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. A sober person is not bewildered by such a change. Krishna says that matter is always changing. You can never expect matter to be permanent. In fact, there is only one thing permanent in this material world, and that is change. There is nothing else which is permanent. The only permanent principle in this material world is change. So Krishna gives a very beautiful analogy. He says that just like in this body, we were all in this birth, we were all at some point of time 5 years of age. At some point of time we were 10 years of age. At some point of time we were 15 years of age. At some point of time we got married. Now we are in our 50s, 60s, whatever. And our bodies have never remained same. मैं जो 5 साल का था, क्या वो शरीर अब मेरे साथ है? नहीं है. मैं जब शादी हुई मेरी, तब जब मेरा शरीर था, क्या वो अभी मेरे साथ है? नहीं है. अब जो मैं 50 साल का हो गया हूं, रिटायरमेंट के समय मेरा वही एज रहेगा क्या? नहीं. रिटायरमेंट के समय कम से कम मैं बूढ़ा होने लगा हूं, मैं चल फिर रहा हूं. At the age of 80, might be bedridden. So life, body has always changed, but you have not changed. You remember when you were 5 years old, मैंने क्या किया? When you were 25 years old, आपने क्या किया? When you were 30 years old, आपने क्या किया? You have not changed. So Krishna brings us the concept of Dehi and Dehinah. So in this Deha, there is a Dehi. Dehinah asmin yatha dehe. There is a Dehi which is actually making life perfect in this Deha. So always Arjuna have this distinction. Matter is not all in all. Deha is not all in all. There is a Dehi. Dehinah asmin yatha dehe. In this body, the Dehi has always remained same, but the Deha has always changed. And he says that, and the ultimate change is death. Small changes keep happening, keep happening, keep happening. The ultimate change is death. So dhirah tatra na muhyati. A sober person is not bewildered by these changes. They are bound to happen. So जब ये हम 5 साल के थे, 10 साल के थे, 15 साल के थे, 20 साल के थे, तब जो चेंजेस हुए, तब तो हमने बुरा नहीं माना. What is death? That is the ultimate change. Second way he tells us, Srila Prabhupada explains very beautifully, that whenever somebody has his garments become old, we always take a new garment and हम कोई नए कपड़े लेते हैं. And when we are very happy, अरे तुमको पता है कि आज दिवाली मैंने नया ड्रेस पहना, आज दशहरा मैंने नया ड्रेस पहना, आज ईद मैंने नया ड्रेस पहना, आज क्रिसमस मैंने नया ड्रेस पहना. So when on occasions when we wear something new, we are always very happy. और हम मतलब मराठी में उसे कहते हैं मिरवणे. We are always, अरे देखो मैंने नया ड्रेस है. 4 लोग जब तक अप्रिशिएट नहीं करे, हमको भी मजा नहीं आता. अरे मैं इतना अच्छा ड्रेस डाल के गया, 15,000 का था, किसी ने अप्रिशिएट ही नहीं किया. So Krishna says, just like that, when you give up your old cloth and you put up new, you are happy. You are not crying. अरे वो 5 साल पहले का मेरा एरो का शर्ट, कोई रोता है क्या ऐसे? नहीं, अभी उसमें होल पड़ गए, अभी उसको छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. Similarly, this body is like a shirt, this body is like a साड़ी. When it grows old, उसे छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. उस पर रोना क्यों है? Rather, अगर कोई नए कपड़े लेता है, it is a moment for happiness, and that's why we see when somebody is born, everyone is happy. The soul has accepted a new garment, and it's a joyous occasion. So when you have accepted, somebody is born, the soul has accepted new garments, the Dehi has accepted new garments, everyone is happy. Why are you sad when he is about to accept a new garment? आज मरा है तो कल तो जिएगा ही ना. जातस्य ही ध्रुवो मृत्युर ध्रुवम जन्म मृतस्य च. One who is born is supposed to die. One who is dead is supposed to be born. So सुख आने वाला है उसके जीवन में, क्यों अभी रो रहे हो? So who is a धीर? धीर, Srila Prabhupada explains very beautifully. One whose senses and mind are controlled, he is a धीर. So Krishna is telling, my dear Arjuna, a dhira does not get bewildered. It's an indication basically. Arjuna, you are not acting like a dhira, you are getting bewildered. So it is like in Marathi they say, I am from Maharashtra, it comes very naturally Marathi to me. So it says, Leki bole sune lage. So whenever something needs to be told to the daughter-in-law, the mother-in-law will tell it to her daughter. अरे सुनती हो क्या, ऐसे करो. अपनी बेटी को बोलेगी, लेकिन वो लगेगा बराबर बहू को. बहू को पता चला कि उसको बोल रही है वो. Similarly, Krishna is hinting, धीरे तत्र न मुह्यति. He is telling Arjuna, my dear Arjuna, you are not acting like a dhira because you are completely bewildered now. So the concept of the body changing and soul remaining constant is introduced here, and how this body goes through emotions and happiness and distresses is what we will be seeing tomorrow. Be with us. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna